Hi there. In this video we'll be looking at a dog house that is actually going to be used for a cat, but doesn't matter. Spirit Outdoor Dog House Retreat. I'm going to put a link from where I got it, from Zooplus. This thing seems to be the perfect size. It has extremely good reviews. Materials seem to be really good, so it's the perfect size for an average cat or for a small dog. Normally it's for the exterior, but we are going to be using it on a covered terrace, so it will be outside, but it's not going to be rain or snow on it, but yeah, wind and anything else. This will be the protection for the cat. So yeah, let's get it out of here and see. But for now, seems kind of cushiony. This is really strong material on the outside. This is much nicer to the feel on the outside, so probably all good. Okay, let's get it out of the bag. Daughter is helping in here. Oops. Okay, so the outside material, this is really nice material. Okay, and inside something much softer. And in here, yeah, this is really cool. We have this fur. Obviously it's not a natural fur, it's synthetic, but really nice. Zipper, so basically this whole part can be taken aside. This is another part completely, and with zippers all around we can actually put this thing together. More info right here, and all the languages you can pause and read. In here we have English for indoor and outdoor use, intended for pet use only, keep out of reach of children. Okay, this product has been specifically designed for dogs. Yeah, I'm not going to tell my cat that it's for dogs, so I think she'll be okay. Anyway, this is running away from me. A bit more info right here. Yeah, I like what I see up until now. So zippers, let's put this together. Okay, putting the sides. I have no idea what the order is for these things, but yeah, for the moment we are assembling the sides. It's going to be trickier here right at the corner for sure. I'm going to help my daughter in a moment. Okay, corner is done, and now everything is done. We also have this side. Oh, and on the underside of it, these are I think they are rubber little feet, so it's not as easy for it to run away. And in here, wait a second, what is this? You can actually open it up and change this thing and wash it, so it's a sponge underneath. Really cool, in case it needs to be washed, because yeah, animals, they will get stuff dirty. Nomad tails in here. Nice. Okay, now I think we will attach the side. Okay, and now we are going to be assembling this side right here. Again, there will be a small issue in the corner, a bit harder to do. I'm going to be doing that most likely. And we are almost done. Just a bit in here, the zipper, maybe it caught something. And this is how the little house looks like. In my opinion, it's the perfect size for a cat. Although they say it's designed for a dog, I don't think a cat will have any issues staying in this thing as long as she likes it. So we'll see about that. We'll get it to the cat and see what happens. Guess who likes her new house? Yes, she always sits in here. So I guess she doesn't care, it's a dog house. Pretty happy in there. And that's about it for this video. I winterized this thing by adding even more insulation, making sure it cannot fall from here if the wind blows too much. Added another pillow for even more insulation, and the cat loves it. So this is awesome, really good shelter even for cats. And that's about it for the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and as always, see you in the next one. Little cat warming there. Bye.